Hello students, in this session I will explain sum number 3 and 4 of question number 2. I hope everyone remembers what exactly I taught you on the previous videos. That is, again today we'll start with a special method which I already explained sum number 1 and 2 of question number 2. So same way we'll proceed with sum number 3 and sum number 4. So let's move on with sum number 3. So sum number 3 is given 7a square plus 14a. Now we have to take the highest common factor. Okay, always remember that when you are taking a common, okay, regarding the numbers, we have to go for a common factors. So if you are confused, then I said that what you will do, 7 into a, and how to write 14. So every number should be written in the irreducible form. So 2 into 7 into a. So what are the terms are common? 7 is common and a is common, isn't it? So the common factors is what? 7 into 7 and a, isn't it? So we can write as 7 into a also. So this is what you have to take as common, that is 7a. So if you take 7a as a common, okay, so if you take 7 as a common, now the problem is most of the student faces that what after when I have taken the common, what will stay back? So they are confused in this case. So it's also very easy. So it just depend on how you are practicing. So I'm showing you what exactly would be there inside the bracket and how exactly it is done. Now 7a square means what? 7 into a, isn't it? And what is the thing that you have taken as a common? I hope you've understood how to take a common. Now once you have came to know that what exactly you have to take as a common, now the next part is what you will write inside the bracket. So what is the first term? 7a square. So 7 into a. Okay. Now what is the thing that you have taken as a common? 7a. So you will divide it with the common. It is 7 into a. Now reduce it. This a will cancel. This 7 will cancel. What is left out? A. So for the first term only a will be remaining. Now 14a. 14a is written as 14 into a, isn't it? Now what is the thing you have taken as a common? 7a, isn't it? Now a is cancelled. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. What is the answer? 2. So what will remain inside? 2. So this is your required answer. So this is how exactly this type of sums need to be solved. Okay, so what you have to do, the first thing, again I am repeating, the first thing that you have to decide what is the term that you have to take as a common. So how to get the common? Each term, for that each term you have to convert into a irreducible form. That is 7a square is written as, we have learned this, 7 into a. 14a is written as 2 into 7 into a. Now just see which terms are common. These are the common factors. Now common factors could be written as 7 into a, as because 7 and a are common, so you have to multiply all those common factors and you have to get the value as product. So this is a common. So once you know what you have to take as a common, then inside the bracket how exactly you will decide? With the first term you have to divide this common term. Then you put the plus sign. If it is plus sign is there, then you will put plus sign. If there is a minus sign, then you will put minus sign. Now the second term is what? 14a. Okay, now this 14a need to be divided with this common term. Now you will get the answer. After reducing, you get 2. So this is how you solve it. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Okay, that is question number 4. Question number 4 is what? Minus 16z, wait a minute, minus 16z, then plus 20z, this is square, cube. Okay, now how will you decide what is the common factor? Okay, if you are confused again, then again what you do is minus 16z. So how 16 is written? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and also one minus sign also has to be there. So like minus 16z as minus sign should be there, then 16 is written as 2 into 2 into 2, and there is one z is also there. So z I am writing in this way, and the another term is given as 20z cube. So 20 is written as 2 into 2 into 5, okay, into z into z into z. So what are the terms common? This and z, isn't it? So the common factor is what? Common factor is 2 and z. So it is written as 2 into z. So it will be 4z. So 4z you will take as a common. So now 4z. Okay. Now we have to divide this term with this term. 16 z divided by 4z. So z cancel. 4 4 is 16, so minus 4 will be the answer. Understood? So easy. Now again you write this term. So 20 z cube by what is the common term? 4z. So 3z are there, 1z is there in the denominator. So if you cancel it, only 2z will be remaining, and this will be cancelled by 4 1s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So 5z square. So 5z square is the answer. I hope you are finding this easy, isn't it? Now these are the two sums you will do for this particular session. Okay, for the next period I will explain another two sums. Okay, thank you, take care, and God bless.